All right. Annie, well, everybody's wearing pink, so I can't say that. What should I say? Tell me what to say.
You can say anything.
Anything. All right. Anyone that is wearing a beret in their hair.
What?
Not a beret. No, not a beret. What do you call the thing in her?
A headband.
A headband.
Addie!
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 Addie, stand up. Addie, stand up.
Why don't you do colors that we have on otherwise?
Well, I will. I'm just mixing it up like. Okay? All right. Addie, stand up. Okay. Stand up. Okay. Touch the floor. Oh, stand up. Good.
Yay!